Hello, this is Valerie, and today I'm putting together the A2 card, the beer mug. It's a top folding card, and it will fit in an A2 envelope. It comes with a lot of options on the greetings, and I included one for St. Patrick's Day, but we have several for the birthdays, like Cheers to You, Happy Beer Day, Happy Birthday, and Cheers for a Happy Life. And so I'm going to get this put together, and I have the pieces laid out here in the order that it's going to go together. This is the card base, and then we have the basic layer for the front, and these are the pieces that are going to go on the front. And so the first piece I'm going to put on is the mug frame. And it's nice having this fine tip, because this is a fine outline here, but this is going to go on right along the, lined up along the edges in the bottom. And then there's two layers for the card, for the beer part of it. One is going to be the light yellow. And that just fits right inside that frame. Make sure I have that turned right too. I do, okay. Slips right in there. It is a little smaller because I usually, when I'm doing a backing behind another piece, I usually make it a tad smaller so that the it doesn't show around the edges. And so this is the front piece, and this large cutout is going to go on the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to put glue on the backing. And then, like I said, this bigger piece is going to go towards the bottom, and it slips right into that framework. And then there's three pieces that go on the front that kind of mark the shape of the mug. These are really tiny, and so this fine point glue is really handy for this. I'm going to put one right in the middle. And then one on each side. I put the side pieces just slightly, just a pinch higher than the middle. So it kind of gives it that look of a curve. Okay, and then the foam, and it goes right on top here, and it goes right along the edges. I gave it a little bit of shading too with a dark yellow. So I'll get that lined up. And then I'm going to glue it to the front. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put glue on this side. That way I don't accidentally get glue up here by putting it on this piece. And then line that up. There we go. Okay, and now for all the options that we have on the front here. Like I said, I included this one. It comes with a 4-leaf clover or 3-leaf clover, and cheers to you. And you can use this, you know, for St. Patrick's Day. I also have the blue ribbon tag, and that you can put on the front here, and I've got it, you know, #1 grad. And I've also got one for the #1 dad. And you also have, like I said, all these different options that you can put on the front. Those are going to be on a printable PDF, and I'm going to include the PNGs. So I'm going to put together the blue ribbon one so you can see how that goes together. And basically the ribbon backing is 2 pieces. This piece is slightly larger than the blue circle behind it, and that's to kind of give it that look of 3D depth on a ribbon. So, okay, I'll put this on. I don't know if you can see how that's a slightly larger. Okay, so I have that on there, and then the 2 pieces for the front. #1 dad. And I put that on a gold circle. Glitter paper. And then this just goes right on there. And like I said, we can either do this one. We can also, like, one of the tags is cheers to another year. And instead of the blue, you could use some gold glitter paper. You have a few options with this card, which is always fun. So cheers to another year, or #1 dad. I'm not sure which one I want to use. Let's try the #1 dad. I actually might use a pop dot for that too. And then take that off. You know why I'm doing this is by using these tiny little pop dots. If I change my mind and decide to use it for someone's birthday, I can do that. But this blue ribbon one is fun. And like I said, it's a top folding card. Very easy to put together and lots of options. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.